Hello everyone. Today I'll share my experience with WMI Cranes. After leaving Midco Private Limited, I joined WMI Cranes because the salary at WMI Cranes was double the salary of the Midco Private Limited. And when I joined there, I was given the inspection department. My boss was Mr. Nandan. And luckily, in that period, WMI WMI cranes had started not only making cranes, but they started getting orders for fabrication of other companies also. And they were very lucky. They got a big order from BHEL Bhopal. And when they got all the drawing, my boss gave me some drawings, about three drawings, to find those, to look those drawings and find out how much will be this thing, size of all the material which will be used in that thing. So I started my work because before that I had never worked on drawing because I didn't have any chance to see how the material is to be found out from the drawing. So this was a bit tough job for me. But I started. Slowly by slowly, I could get many items for which I could find what will be their dimension and other places. But one thing, I was not able to get the correct information from the drawing, and I was getting upset. Plus, my boss was sitting on the first floor, and I was given a small room in the ground floor. Okay, you be isolated so that you won't be disturbed by other people. So I just heard it. But after full one day, I could not get the dimension. But next day morning, about 10:30, I got the dimension. And in the happiness, I just put a big blow on the table with my fist, and the table this thing glass, it got broken. So one this thing worker gave this thing to my boss. Okay, bhai, he has broken a tabletop glass. So my boss called me and he, bhai, what is this? I said, yes sir, it has been broken by me. So then he told, who will pay the price? I said, sir, I will pay the price. Okay, you pay the price. So I contacted the purchase department and asked them from where they are getting the